In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a visually engaging canvas using Canva by effectively utilizing color to differentiate text elements. Let's dive right in. First, we begin by heading over to Canva. If you haven't already, make sure to log into your account. This is where the magic happens, so if you're new to Canva, you'll find it quite a user-friendly platform for design projects. Once logged in, the next step is to create a new canvas. This will be our playground for the design work we'll be doing. Once your blank canvas is ready, it's time to add a heading. You can do this by selecting the text tool, which is usually located in the left panel. Adding a heading isn't just about putting in text. It's about setting the stage for your design. Choose a font that resonates with the message you're trying to convey. Keep in mind that the clearer and more visually appealing it is, the better. With your heading in place, the next task is typing the text that you want to feature on your canvas. This could be anything from an inspirational quote to a title for your social media post. Remember, your choice of text is crucial because it will drive the tone and purpose of your design. Now that you have your text, it's important to reposition and resize it on the canvas to suit your design needs. Click on your text box to adjust its position. You can drag it around until it fits just right. Don't be afraid to experiment with different sizes until you find what best complements the overall look you're going for. After positioning, take a moment to focus on enhancing your text design. Click on your text and you'll want to select only a specific portion of it. This is where precision matters, as the visual differentiation is what will grab your audience's attention. Once you've selected part of your text, hover your mouse over the floating toolbar that appears at the top of your design screen. Here you'll find the option to change the font color. Carefully choose a color that stands out yet aligns with your theme. Following this, it's time to select another segment of your text and repeat the process of changing the color. This is your opportunity to create that wow factor. Use contrasting colors to enhance readability and maintain visual interest. Changing the color of different portions of your text not only highlights key elements, but also adds depth and dimension to your design. By following these steps, you'll end up with a vibrant, well-designed canvas that showcases your text beautifully and captivates your audience. Thanks for following along today. I hope you find these tips helpful in creating stunning visuals with ease.